Hello guys, Malkishan here from VFX episodes. So in this video I am going to talk about how to remove this tracker from this lady face with the help of PXF filler. In the previous video, you must have seen how we remove the markers from the green screen using transform mask and the paint tool. However, we could have removed them using the filler as well. But as I showed you, this was a specific shot I had. So this is a separate video for it. So the pixel filler is a gizmo in Nuke. There is a website that I'll show you. You can download it from this website. So this is the website called Pixel Fudger. Alright. Here you will find many gizmos that are very useful and very important for compositing techniques, and there are several tools like PXF filler, kill spill, screen clean, PXF line, PXF grains. All these gizmos are quite handy and very useful. So among these we'll be using ones that are important for our workflow in upcoming videos as we progress. We will use these tools step by step. For now, we are focusing on PXF filler, which you can download it from this website or from Wikipedia also. You can also download Pixel Fudger from Wikipedia. The contributor behind this amazing tool is Xavier Barrique. Maybe pronunciation might not be perfect, but you can see his picture here. This is the person who created these wonderful tools that are widely used in almost every studio. Take a look, all these are incredible gizmos. Look this. So all are very useful and beautiful gizmos, and you can use and download them one by one here. So very useful gizmos. As you can see, you can download it from here, and you can download it from here also. So let's start the class. So let's play this and see. This was originally a 200 or 100 frame shot, but to demonstrate I have selected only 50 frames. You can remove this using paint tool, using transform mask as well. Now here the marker that we need to remove, but for now I will remove this by using the filler tool. There is nothing much to do here. Simply connect this tool to where your footage is coming from. The denoise is the same old one we have been using, and below this I have added PXF filler. In this there is a whole mask and the mask. If I need to remove this, then I have to connect my roto to my whole mask. First go to the frame 1. Let's connect the whole mask to the roto shape. Let's take a round shape ellipse. So as you can see, the moment I connected the roto to the whole mask, the marker is disappear. So if we can talk about the settings of PXF filler. So there is not much here, just the size option of horizontal and vertical adjustment and angle. You can tweak these settings and see the changes. Now how does it works? Just like the transform marks. It function is almost similar way. As you can see, its size set to width 1 and height 10. This means that the height represents the vertical area of pixel being referenced. It shifted those pixels upward within the mask. Okay. Now if I increase the horizontal value, you will see that it takes reference from both the top and the side and applies them over the marker, covering it completely within the selected roto area. This way the marker gets hidden effectively. Still, if you find any issues, anything else, you can change the angle here, and you can tweak the settings of the angle here, and definitely it will fix it. Suppose this is the eyebrow, and if I remove something in between the eyebrow, I can remove it with the same method. Okay, so if I can change the value of width to 0, then you can see. So as the width is 0, in this case it took reference from upside and downside, and if I change this to 10, then it take reference from both direction, and see it feathered this area. Okay, as of now I'm placing this to the previous place. Okay, if you have other shots also you can play around the settings. Okay, here we have very simple settings. Okay, um, it works very wonderful almost all these type of shots. Okay, so let's animate the rotor. Let's play this once. So as you can see it looks very good. So what I have to do now, after removing these all marker, after that we will put the greens over here. Okay, we will regreen the footage and then you will see it looks very natural. So let me remove this to more marker, then we will finish this class. So as you can see, PXI filler works very well in this type of footages. The marker is removed very well, and you guys also try this at your home or studio. And if you have your own PC at any places, just try this. If you want to say something, please comment me. I will definitely reply. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. See you soon with more videos. Okay. So thanks once again. Please hit the subscribe button.